One of my reasons to be cheerful is my morning commute. It's not far. I think it takes me about 8 minutes to get to work. I'm sitting in my car. I mean, I say car, it's quite a big Land Rover Defender 110. I'm joined by my dog Purdy, sitting next to me in the middle. I work for myself at a business called Cut by Beam, which is a laser cutting company that I set up, must be, I think, 6 years ago now. Just going through the second set of traffic lights, both been on green today, so we're on for a good time. The reason I love driving this car so much is it makes me smile. I've got no radio, I've got no clock, so I have no idea what the time is right now. I never feel stressed or under pressure because I feel strangely like I can't be late if there is no time, and there's no time in here. When I first started up my business, I had this dream of being able to stay in Cornwall, work in a creative job, drive a Land Rover around with a dog and go on some adventures. So every time I drive to work in this truck, it reminds me that I achieved that goal. Driving up a nice tree-lined hill. Yep, just wave to another Defender driver. It's another thing that you get to enjoy when you're driving one of these around, is everybody waves at each other. Bumpy bit. Hopefully you can hear on the recording how rattly it is. So I guess in a weird way that is my soundtrack without music. But there's something nice about just sitting in the car and driving. It's a nice little space going between home and work. I'm just now going past the farm shop where quite often I'll go and get an emergency packet of biscuit, or of course a pasty. Just turning up the hill, up the driveway. The dogs are tired now because we've got here, just fished out a ball, ready to go and play. That's it, I'm here. I'm smiling.